Have you ever been in the middle of a project and wished you could easily share files with your clients? Or maybe you're a freelancer who wants to keep track of all your client documents in one place. If so, then you're in luck. In this video, I'm going to show you how to upload documents to HoneyBook. HoneyBook is a project management software that helps you keep track of all your clients, projects, and tasks. It's a great tool for freelancers, small businesses, and creative professionals. One of the best things about HoneyBook is that you can easily upload and share documents with your clients. This makes it easy to collaborate on projects and keep everyone on the same page. How to upload documents to HoneyBook. Log in to your HoneyBook account. Click on the Projects tab. Select the project you want to upload documents to. Click on the Files tab. Click on the Upload File button. Select the file you want to upload. Click on the Open button. The file will be uploaded to your HoneyBook project. Once you've uploaded a document to HoneyBook, you can share it with your clients in a few different ways. You can send them a link to the document. You can embed the document in an email or on your website. You can download the document as a PDF. You can also use HoneyBook to track your client's progress on documents. For example, you can see who has viewed the document, who has made edits to it, and when the document was last accessed. Here are a few additional tips for using HoneyBook to upload and share documents. Make sure your documents are in a compatible format. HoneyBook supports a variety of file formats, including PDF, Word, Excel, and PowerPoint. Use descriptive file names. This will help you and your clients find the documents they need. Organize your documents into folders. This will help you keep your HoneyBook account organized and easy to navigate. Share documents with the right people. Only share documents with the people who need to see them. Use HoneyBook's collaboration features to work on documents with your clients in real time. Uploading documents to HoneyBook is a great way to keep track of all your client files in one place. It's also a great way to collaborate with your clients and keep everyone on the same page. If you're looking for a project management software that makes it easy to share documents, then HoneyBook is a great option. If you're not already using HoneyBook, I encourage you to give it a try. You can sign up for a free trial at honeybook.com. With that said, thanks for watching. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. And be sure to subscribe to my channel for more videos on how to use HoneyBook. Thank you for watching.